Hello, and welcome to Learning Python for Data Analysis and Visualization. My name is Jose Portilla, and I'm a data scientist. I will also be your instructor for this course. First, we will learn why data science is so important to know, and then we will cover the variety of skills you will be learning in this course. Did you know the world's producing more data than ever before? In fact, 90% of the world's data was created in just the last 2 years. By the year 2020, there will be over 40 zettabytes of data. That's equal to 400 billion gigabytes. That's why leading tech companies such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, and more all need talented people to help them analyze and understand this data. Data science skills are so in demand that current figures show that the average salary of a data scientist in the US is $120,000. So, what's the best way to learn these skills? Unfortunately, some data science textbooks can be difficult to comprehend and focus too much on theory. So how do you save time? You can learn quickly and easily through this online course. Let's now see a quick overview of the course curriculum and then briefly go over each topic in more detail. In this course, we cover NumPy, Pandas, how to import and export data in Python, how to visualize that data with Matplotlib and Seaborn. We also have data portfolio projects, and we also touch upon machine learning with scikit-learn. In addition to all of this, there's appendix materials, including materials on statistics, using SQL with Python, how to perform web scraping with Python, and there's also special bonus offers for discounts on other courses, such as the Complete Python Bootcamp course. First, learning NumPy. NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing. We'll learn how to use NumPy to create and manipulate arrays with Python. Then we'll learn about Pandas. We'll learn how to use Pandas to create series, data frames, and do quick and effective analysis on our data. Then we'll learn how to work with data. We'll learn how to use Python and Pandas to work with data in a variety of formats, including JSON, HTML, text, CSV, and even Excel files with Python. Afterwards, we'll learn about data visualization. We'll learn how to use Matplotlib and the Seaborn libraries to create beautiful, modern, and informative visualizations with Python. Then, you'll bring everything you've learned together with a portfolio of data projects. We'll learn how to use GitHub to set up your portfolio to show to future employers. The projects cover a variety of topics, including the Kaggle Titanic dataset, a stock market analysis, and even a political election dataset. After this, you'll get an introduction to machine learning with scikit-learn. You'll learn the latest machine learning techniques using the most popular library for machine learning in Python, scikit-learn. Then there's the appendix materials. There's an appendix on statistics, so you can have additional resources on a variety of topics in statistics. You'll also learn how to use SciPy to create distributions and solve these problems. Then, you'll learn how to use SQL Alchemy to fully integrate SQL with Python and run SQL queries from a Python environment. You'll also learn how to use basic SQL commands with Python and Pandas. After that, there's a web scraping appendix. You'll learn how to use the Beautiful Soup library to scrape the web for data. There's also bonus Python material. You can get special offers including discounts for the Complete Python Bootcamp course. You'll also get access to a crash course in Python. So, what are you waiting for? There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You'll have lifetime access to all the lectures in this course. So, start your journey in data science today.